voice telling you how to make a pot pie that you bought from the store. You saw me throw it on the ground, which is the wrong way to do it. Don't do it. I'm now opening the pot pie with one hand. Now that the pot pie is open, you can see that I broke it. Oops. I recommend putting it in the microwave for 4 minutes and 30 seconds, but I broke mine, so I will be entering in 420. When your pot pie is done, wait, if you don't you will die. Let's put the spoon inside the pie. The pie looks like this on the inside. Yum. Also, when you are eating it, put paper towels under the pie so the table doesn't get all brown from the pie that you spilled. The pot pie is good, and I got like 10 minutes of extra footage that I won't show you. Bye.